Sir, the point I am trying to make is even if it is necessary to amend the Constitution, we have to make a bold venture. Can the body called the Election Commission have executive power, legislative power, and judicial power also? This is one point I want to make. No institution under this parliamentary system has all the three powers combined in one. As friends know, the Constitution gives the Chief Election Commissioner the status of a Supreme Court judge. That is, if he is to be removed, the same process has to be adopted even though he may have been appointed in a different way. The Election Commission should have been a multi member commission. This is the recommendation made by the Parliamentary Committee in its report of 1972 that the commission should be a full commission and Parliament should enact a law. Parachin. Mr. Law Minister, I would request you to examine how many articles of the Constitution Parliament has failed to take note of and give shape of a statutory form. This is one of those articles wherein a full-fledged commission is visualized. It cannot be a single-member commission even remotely. I do not want to cast any apprehension on any chief election commissioner. That is not my purpose. There is scope for error of judgment. It is not a question of motive or intention. If the election commission declares an election null and void, what can be done? What the Supreme Court held was that if a wrong decision has been given and a recall has taken place, then the aggrieved person could go to the High Court for relief through an election petition. Parachin. There is no other way for relief. I do not know how my friend is happy with the decision of the commission. He claims it as a victory for him. I am sorry for the lack of depth of understanding or political vision in the matter. My friend requested for recall only in 56 polling booths, but the Election Commission generously ordered recall in 800 polling booths. What is happening in the country? This is a basic question. The Supreme Court said natural justice has to be kept in mind while making the decision to declare an election null and void. But to ask the whole constituency should go for a repoll, how much it cost the government? Parachin. It is not for the election commission to annul an election according to me. This is a fundamental matter, but this was not debated in the House. It should have been debated. Secondly, take the propriety, forget the law for a moment. There is an aggrieved candidate in Garhwal by election. Polling was disturbed in 65 polling booths. The Election Commission ordered recall in all the booths. What has been the argument? Induction of outside police. It is a very strange argument. Does the Election Commission enjoy so much of executive power as to deploy police and to deploy services? I have got to the Election Commission's recommendation before me. Not even one recommendation refers to deployment of police or maintenance of law and order. It speaks only of transfer of officers. I request all the members to study this recommendation. I am not holding any brief either for Haryana Chief Minister or Punjab Chief Minister. The present minister and chief minister must know their limitation. In fact, in Nehru's time, we had a convention that the ministers never went to do election propaganda in by election. We used to restrain ourselves, and so there was no question of involvement in a by election. What has the Haryana Chief Minister done? It might be a party matter. Parachin. Mr. Law Minister, do not think it is a party matter. You are not here permanently. We are not here permanently, but the nation is permanent. This is the time to do some introspection when we are at the crossroads. The Janata Party did not learn the lesson from the Congress defeat in 1977. Therefore, the Janata Party failed. The Congress also did not learn from the Janata Party's collapse. We can learn not only from our own mistakes but also from others' mistakes. On the other side, also, they seem to have done it. If my friend also has done, those who indulge in violence, they are actually the enemies of democracy. I condemn it. We should be serious about it. We must know where the election commission should actually stop. Parachange. Free and fair election cannot be conducted easily. The election commission has to plan everything in advance. In our own state, Mr. Law Minister, people were ready for election to the Legislative Council. It is the election commission which has to fix date. We are now told that the elections are postponed. Periodical election or elections in time strengthen the political system. Timely election, therefore, is very important. During Nehru's time, election used to take place as per schedule. This has to come about as our political culture